In a small town nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, lived a young girl named Lily. She had a simple dream, to own a pair of blue jeans. But in a town where everyone wore the same plain, hand-me-down clothes, this was no easy task. One day, as she gazed at the store window filled with beautiful denim, she felt a twinge of sadness. The shopkeeper, Mr. Johnson, noticed her longing gaze and decided to help. He told her about the story of the jeans, their journey from factories far away to his store, and the hard work that went into making them. Lily was captivated. She learned about the farmers who grew the cotton, the weavers who wove the fabric, and the seamstresses who sewed them together. Each step in the process required patience, dedication, and a little bit of magic. Inspired by their perseverance, Lily decided to save up for her pair of jeans. She started by helping her grandmother in the garden, selling the vegetables she grew, and even taking on extra chores around the house. Every coin she earned, she saved. Weeks turned into months, and months into a year. But Lily didn't give up. She knew that just like the farmers, weavers, and seamstresses, her patience and hard work would be rewarded. Finally, the day came when she had enough money. With a skip in her step, she marched into Mr. Johnson's store and bought the most beautiful pair of jeans she had ever seen. She felt a sense of pride and accomplishment, knowing she had earned them through her own hard work. From that day on, Lily wore her jeans with pride, reminding herself that just like the jeans, she too was the product of hard work, patience, and a little bit of magic. She learned that every achievement, no matter how small, is a testament to our perseverance. And she carried this lesson with her throughout her life, inspiring others with her determination and spirit.